floor. It's burnt.
Oh no.
Oh no. Yo, get out of the room. Get out of the room. You're an idiot.
Hey guys, I am super stoked. We're off to the fireworks store. We're gonna get some Roman candles and we're gonna shoot them at Chad. I can't wait. These are the moments of your life. Yo guys, I got the Roman candles and I got a lot of them. Yeah! Hey guys, I got Chad's camera right now. He's sleeping. And I got Roman candles. This is gonna be the Roman candle wake-up call. You pay a price when you sleep in my house. Chad's brother, Lonny Tepper. Subscribe to me if you want more stuff like this. You want me to prank Chad.
You're not pranking me ever again. Stop with this freaking crap. For real, stop. This is my vlog camera. This is your room. Who really just got pranked?
What?
I think you just got pranked, you idiot.
What?
That's why I don't go to Florida.
Hey, I'm willing to do what it takes.
Lesson number 1, Lonny. If you prank me, guess what? You're gonna get it right back. And for 2, why would you leave the extra Roman candle sitting right there? Alright, Lonny, I hope you're ready for this, because one thing that you do not ever want to do is come for me. So, you about to heard. I at least had a blanket to help me cover up because I was sleeping. You could at least take the blanket off me. That would have been smarter. What am I going to do? I'm going at you raw candle, baby, and let's do this. Hey, Lonny, how
What
about
the?
that? Huh?
No.
How about this one?
Oh, shit! Oh, shit!